As the trend of remote work and content creation continues to surge, the significance of a suitable chair cannot be overstated. A proper chair becomes essential for enduring long hours of tasks such as number crunching, research, and video editing, as it plays a pivotal role in alleviating pain and fatigue. Today, I'm excited to present a comprehensive review of the latest addition to ergonomic seating, the FlexiSpot C7 Ergonomic Chair. Throughout this video, I'll be unboxing the chair, guiding you through the step-by-step assembly process, highlighting its key features, and sharing my candid thoughts and impressions based on my personal experience with the C7 Ergonomic Chair. For those who might not be familiar with FlexiSpot, they initially gained recognition for their innovative standing desks, which I've had the chance to review in the past. Before we proceed, I want to clarify that while FlexiSpot provided this chair for review purposes, all the opinions and insights I'll be sharing are entirely my own. And if you are considering purchasing the C7 Ergonomic Chair, you can find a link in the video description that helps support this channel. With that said, let's jump right in. The C7 Ergonomic Chair stands out as a premium offering in the category, currently priced at $329.99 due to the ongoing sale. It's available in two variations, the standard C7 and the C7 Air, featuring a mesh bottom, both available in black or gray. Upon its arrival, the package exhibited the usual signs of handling, yet I was relieved to see that the box was intact without any visible damage. Although the packaging seemed to be secure, a bit more tape on each opening would have offered an extra layer of reassurance. One can never be too cautious, and I count myself fortunate that everything arrived undamaged this time. Upon unpacking, I noticed that while there wasn't excessive padding or foam, each component was individually boxed, enveloped in bubble wrap, or secured with foam padding and cardboard separators. Despite the absence of excessive packaging, the organization of components made logical sense and facilitated easy removal. Inside the package, you'll discover the adjustable headrest, the foundational support, the adjustable lower mechanism, the user and installation guide discreetly tucked into the seat pouch, the chair seat itself, the backrest, and the essential hardware including tools, gas lift, 5 wheels, and both left and right armrests. A careful inspection revealed no signs of damage or irregularities. All components appeared well crafted and pristine. And regarding the construction, the chair mainly was comprised of sturdy plastic components apart from the cushion base and mesh backrest. So now let's dive into the assembly process. The installation, which I rate a 3 out of 10 in terms of difficulty, is remarkably straightforward. However, I recommend following my install process or the user guide step by step. Step 1 entails attaching the wheel casters to the base. This requires a considerable amount of force to ensure proper clipping, but once attached, the quality of the wheel casters become evident through their smooth rolling. Step 2, perhaps the simplest, involves inserting the gas lift into the base. And in step 3, you'll identify the front of the chair base marked with red text, and also discern the front, left, and right arms by the elevated top angle. Now, using the provided Allen key, secure the arms to the base with the 6K bolts. Step 4 may prove to be a bit more challenging, so it's wise to have some form of support in place. While the instructions suggest adjusting the mechanism before installation, I found it more manageable to control during mounting. With the bracket facing the back, attach 2 of the eye bolts in the front, then release the lever to unlock the mechanism, allowing it to slide forward. As the holes become visible, you can now insert the bolts and tighten until all secure. Step 5 involves lowering the seat onto the gas lift first before attaching to the backrest, as this arrangement seems more structurally sound to me. And moving on to step 6, with the seat now in position, affix the backrest using the 3 L bolts, threading them through the mechanism. Finally, step 7 is attaching the headrest. Secure the bolt J in place with a screw to fasten the headrest. Summing up the assembly and filming process, I invested about an hour, leading me to believe that the assembly can be completed in under 30 minutes. Impressively, the chair's aesthetic is striking, lending a clean and elegant touch to any setup. Its design provides a sense of purposefulness and professionalism without being overly loud. Subtle notches on the plastic arms and back add a tasteful dimension. I must admit, the chrome accent, though plastic, is a standout feature, personally appealing to my taste for a distinctive look. At this time, the chair's visual appeal is evident, but how well does it act functionally? That's the key question we're about to explore. The armrests offer versatile movement, both back and forth and side to side, enabling diagonal adjustments. Height adjustments can be made by manipulating the tab beneath. However, I found the armrest to be somewhat loose, easily shifting when unintended. The headrest features a notch height adjustment, providing stability and can be swiveled up and down, although tightening with the Allen key is highly recommended. The chair's right side handle controls height adjustment, ensuring a remarkably smooth operation thanks to the gas lift mechanism. The handle behind it governs the angle of the chair's base, but personally, I found this particular feature slightly slightly uncomfortable. On the left side, the handle has a dual function. By rotating the handle flap, the chair can be shifted forward or backwards, but my preference was to position it fully backwards. And if you rotate the handle itself, it allows for adjustments of the backrest angle, with the option to lock it in place. In terms of lumbar support, lowering the lever opens up the support's positioning, while raising it locks it securely into place, but it can be a bit tricky to get it into the correct position. When it comes to the movement, this chair operates with impressive fluidity and feels well lubricated. Now onto the most crucial aspect. Comfort. Having spent 2 consecutive weeks in this chair, I can attest to its comfort level. As someone who has undergone back surgery, I find this chair remarkably accommodating, even as I sit in this while I'm editing this very video. It's safe to say that my gaming chair might face some competition from this ergonomic solution. In conclusion, the FlexiSpot C7 Ergonomic Chair not only boasts an appealing design, but also delivers on its functional promise. With seamless adjustability and a high level of comfort, it's a compelling choice for anyone seeking an ergonomic seating solution. As we've explored its assembly, features, and comfort, it's evident that the chair is more than aesthetics, standing out as a well-rounded and practical addition to any workspace. So thank you for joining me on this in-depth review. Should you decide to explore the FlexiSpot C7 Ergonomic Chair, remember, the link in the video description helps support the continued creation of content on this channel. With that said, see you in the next one.